You spoke to a member of staff. What did they explain had happened?
They just said that Pez had been in on the night, and because they'd seen me already writing down drinks for Pez, they thought that it would be all right as long as, you know, because he must have said that he would pay the tab when I came back.
Well, this is the thing. Whilst Gliz was away, did you believe, sir, that you had her consent to put things on tab, yes or no?
Not at any one time, no, Your Honour.
You didn't. So I'm a little bit troubled looking at this list of drinks. You've bought 10 Jaeger bombs.
Yes. It wasn't Christmas Eve.
Were they all for you?
No.
Well, who were they
I'm
for?
not a glutton. There's 9 people I was showing off. 10 of the finest here, please, and put them on my tab.
Exactly so, even though you didn't have them. Now, the other thing that I was a little bit surprised by, I'm not suggesting that you didn't drink it, but, sir, what's sex on the beach?
It's a cocktail. It's just... It sounds more raunchy than it is, trust me.
What's in it?
Wouldn't you like to know?
£153, correct?
Yes, correct.
£153 and 80 pence. Now, you never gave him consent to...
No.
Now, did he make an offer to pay you? I think he did.
He did say I can pay 75, and I said, no, Pez, you need to pay 150 because I'm going to be chasing you for the next 6 months for the other 75. So this is why I refused the 75, because I wanted it all in one.
Sir, given you didn't have permission for this credit, why did you effectively pretend to the bar staff that they had consent to give you a tab?
Bit crack.
For what?
Just for crack. Just,
What?
Just for a laugh. Just having a... Just entertainment. I'd never intention of robbing her out. Right, I knew she'd hit the roof and she'd come back and beer tab were up to 150 quid, and I just thought, but laugh, honestly, I know it's hard to see the funny side of it, but
now,
that's all it was.
Here's the thing. That may seem funny, but it's very important in law.
But she was never in any danger of getting robbed.
Listen,
Trust me,
I believe that about you. In a nutshell, you were going to explain to me, because you are able to describe things in a rhyming fashion, how you feel about this case and also how you feel about being in court, and in particular me. Here's your opportunity.
Right, so I said.
You were going to say to me...
Excuse me, I'm trying to refer, right, up to you, but I'd like you to concur. This lady there, yes, she did, she said I offered to pay her 75 quid, which I did, there and then. But she said that wasn't good enough and freaked out. I said, basically, I went, we'll get lost, silly cow, put phone down. You know what I mean? I thought it was funny to leave her stewing for a bit, because she was snapping at me and that.
So was that a poem?
No. That was a little bit of freestyle, thrown in with a bit of logic. Right, that's what I did. I want you to know that.
Just pause. That was freestyle thrown in with a bit of logic.
I'm trying to...
I heard it. Talking...
I'm speaking the case on my defence. I'm trying to speak like common sense. But trust me, Judge, we know the score. Common sense ain't that common no more. Is it?
You had a rhyme about me, as I understand.
Oh, I wrote a poem for you. Dear Judge, from my position, I don't want to budge. I'm here today to defend my case and to try to restore a smile on Lizzie's face. Right? You see, we have been the best of friends for such a long time now. So it's love over gold. It is, somehow. Real friendships are an exceptionally valuable commodity. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here in front of ye. I've seen you a few times on the box, so there, and all your rulings seem to have been really just and fair. Enough said, so we'll leave it just there. How's that? No. We haven't got to Wolverhampton yet. You've got to let me read you that one, because that's
I'm awfully sorry.
That's me gun grade stuff.
On another
right.
occasion. I
can leave you a copy for yourself. Signed, if you want.
Thing is, Liz, joking apart, you were angry about this. And the reason you're angry about this is because you like Glenn very much, but nobody, I'm going to use this language, takes the mick out of you. Yeah. Did you feel let down by Glenn?
I did at that moment in time, yeah.
Cross. He's not a bad person, but you're...
No, he's a good person, is Glenn.
No doubt about that. Glenn, off the top of my head, you are now here today, so you will have to pay. And it's I who have the final say because I'm a judge and very clever.
Exceptional.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.